Oh, kakšen lep dan se je danes narisal na obraz. Neverjetno. Zmer se lepo zjutraj najprej zobke umijam, pa kaj dobrega pojem, pogre pa lepo na sprehod, a ne? Lepo na svež zrak, da lepo vetrič pihlja skozi moje lase, pa da vonjam ta prekrasen von od morja, pa da pozdravim svoje prijatelje galebe, pa rakovice, pa ribe, a ne? No, ampak najraješ imam pa, ko mi lepo mami zjutraj napravi tako malco, a ne? No, da vidim, kaj mi je danes pripravila. Ja. Sendvič ta prav, ja. Ja. No, res sem rad svojo mamico, pa očija, pa brate, pa sestre. Res sem rad svojo družino. Ja.
Let's go. Hip-hop in its most purest, most rawest form, flow almost flawless, most hardest, most honest, known artist. Chip off the old block, but old Doc is back. Looks like Batman brought his own Robin. Oh God, Saddam's got his own Laden. With his own private plane, his own pilot. Set the blow polish, dorm room doors off the hinges. Oranges, peach, pears, plums, oranges. Yeah, here I come, I'm inches away from you, there fear none. Hip-hop is in a state of 911, so let's get down to business. I don't got no time to play around, what is this? Must be a circus in town. We shut the shit down on these clowns, and I get a witness. Hell yeah! Let's get down to business. I don't got no time to play around, what is this? Must be a circus in town. We shut the shit down on these clowns, and I get a witness. Hell yeah! We got 'em.
Muscles like Superman trainer. Ay, real rare like Super Saiyan manga. I jump, stomp on Lucifer's stage. Now I got a few rings on Jupiter skating. I meant to say Saturn, switched up the pattern. Smoking on some shatter, got me higher than a ladder. Thanks, son, flatter, my baby mama batter. You look like Mick Jagger, oops, the grease splatter. Hot, woo, jumping out the grease. It's a whole lot of degrees, about to come, about to fleece. Please,